Affiliate marketing is performance-based advertising where you receive a commission for promoting someone else's product and services. It is predicted that affiliate marketing will continue to grow in popularity over the next few years with more and more people signing up to become affiliates. So, what will be the key trends in affiliate marketing in 2022? Watch this video till the end to find out. In this video, I'll be discussing 6 major trends that you need to know for affiliate marketing in 2022. These trends are based on current industry trends and prediction from the expert in the field. Make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss on any important information about affiliate marketing in 2022. Hey there, aspiring affiliate marketers. If you want to get started in this lucrative and exciting field, you come to the right place. My name is Yogesh and I'm a successful affiliate marketer who've been in business for years. In this channel, I'll focus on helping beginners learn the ropes and become successful too. So, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing or want to see some of my topics, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notification for all the new information. I promise you won't regret it. So let's get started on this video. Welcome back. As we move on to 21st century, affiliate marketing will only become more popular. This form of advertising involves promoting other people's products or services in return for a commission. It is predicted that this industry will continue to grow over the next few years. So, what are the key trends you need to know about affiliate marketing in 2022? Keep watching this video to find out. Those of you who are watching this video, let me know in the comments what affiliate marketing trends are you following. Comment below and I will personally reply to your comments. So here are 6 affiliate marketing trends in 2022. First one, more personalization. As online shoppers become more savvy, they also become more demanding. They expect brands to offer personalized experience tailored to their individual needs and preferences. This will require affiliate marketing to collect and use data more effectively in order to deliver right message to the right person at the right time. In the past, affiliate marketing has largely relied on cookies and other tracking methods to collect data. However, with the rise of new technologies and more sophisticated data collection method exists. For example, affiliate marketer can now track consumer behavior and preferences using mobile devices. They can also use social media to collect data about what consumers are interested in. All of this data can be used to create more personalized experience for the consumer. For example, if an affiliate marketer knows that a particular consumer is interested in fashion, they can send tailorized message about new arrivals or special sales. This personalized experience will be increasingly important as online shoppers become more demanding. To sum up, the future of affiliate marketing lies in personalization. As consumers become more savvy and demanding, brands will need to collect and use data more effectively in order to deliver right message to the right person at the right time. Only by doing this, they will keep up with the competition and meet the needs of their consumers. Number 2, greater use of AI and machine learning. Affiliate marketing will continue to be driven by data in the coming years, with AI and machine learning being used more and more to identify trends and patterns. This will allow affiliate marketing to automate tasks such as identifying potential customers and targeting them with relevant offers. There are many benefits to using AI in affiliate marketing, including first, automating tasks. AI can help to automate tasks such as identifying potential customers and targeting them with relevant offers. Number 2, tracking consumer behaviors. AI can track consumer behavior and pricing that will help affiliate marketer to personalize their marketing message. Number 3, improve tracking and reporting. All can help improving tracking and reporting as well to optimize campaigns for better results. Number 3, cost effective. As AI is more cost effective, helps you automate tasks and improve marketing campaign results. Lately, you have seen a tremendous increase in AI tools for writing and creating images and so on. Some of the most popular tools are Jasper Writer for writing. Jasper just launched Jasper Image for creating images for blogs, social media posts, etc. In conclusion, AI will be key tool for affiliate marketing in the coming years. With its ability to automate tasks, track consumer behavior, and improve reporting, AI will help affiliates to improve their results and drive more sales. Number 3, more focus on mobile. With more people than ever using their smartphone to shop online, it's no surprising that mobile commerce is on the rise. This trend is not only going to continue in coming years, with affiliate marketing need to ensure that their campaigns are optimized for mobile devices. This means creating mobile-friendly landing pages and make sure that all the links and images are properly formatted for smaller screen. Additionally, affiliate marketers should also take advantage of mobile-specific features such as location-based targeting and push notification. By doing so, they can make sure that their campaigns are tailored to the needs of mobile users, resulting in higher conversion rates and more commission. As smartphones continue to grow, affiliate marketers need to take advantage of this trend by making their campaigns more mobile friendly. This means creating landing pages that are optimized for mobile devices and making sure that all links and images are properly formatted for mobile. Number 4. Increased use of video content. Video is one of the most popular formats of content online, with people of all ages spending hours watching videos on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. This trend not only going to continue in coming years, with video content becoming an increasing important part of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers can take advantage of this trend by creating engaging videos that promotes the products or services they are promoting. They can use video to build relationship with their audience by providing useful information and tips related to the products they are promoting. Short video content is exploding in popularity in recent times, with examples including YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels that you can use to get creative and connected with your audience on personal level. In short, a video is a powerful tool that affiliate marketer can use to reach their target audience and promote their product. So, if you haven't started using videos in your affiliate marketing, now is the time to do it. Let's talk about number 5, increased use of influencers. Influencer marketing has been on the rise in the recent year, and this trend is set to continue in 2022 and beyond. Affiliate marketers must identify relevant influencers in their niche and work with them to authentically promote products and services. This will help to build relationship with potential customer and boost conversions. In order to be successful with influencer marketing, it is important to work with influencers who have genuine interest in your products or services that you are promoting. This way, they can provide valuable insights and recommendations to their followers. Additionally, it should be important to consider that the reach of an influencer's audience when selecting them for a campaign. As influence marketing continue to grow, so will the need for marketers to be aware of the fraudsters who try to take advantage of the brand. It is important to vet potential influencers carefully and make sure they are genuine before working with them. This will help to avoid any issues down the line. Overall, influencer marketing is set to continue growth in popularity, and savvy marketers will need to utilize this channel in order to stay ahead of the competition. By doing so, they will be able to reach new audience and boost conversions. Finally, the last trend, greater transparency around commissions. As consumers become more aware of how affiliate marketing works, they will demand greater transparency around the commission rates. Affiliate marketers need to be more upfront about the commission rates they are offered and any conditions that need to be met for commissions to be paid out. Affiliate networks will also need to provide more transparency around the commission rates they are offering to affiliates. This will help affiliates to make much more informed decisions about what programs to join and ultimately leads to better results for both affiliates and partners. This will help to build relationship with consumers and ultimately leads to more conversions. So, what do you think about this? Should there be greater transparency around the commission in affiliate marketing? I think there should be. Consumers are becoming more aware of how affiliate marketing works, and they deserve to know what commission rates they can expect. In all of my videos where I'm promoting certain products, I always mention that this is my affiliate link. My video also includes disclosure regarding any links I'm promoting in the description. That concludes our top 6 affiliate marketing trends in 2022. Wrapping up this video, in coming years, we can expect more personalization, greater use of AI and machine learning, an increased focus on mobile commerce, and more influencer marketing. Affiliate marketers need to be prepared for these changes and ensure that they are using data effectively to drive sales. Transparency around commission rates is also likely to become increasingly important to build consumer trust. Are you ready for the future of affiliate marketing? If you are still watching this video, it means you agree with what I have to say and are enjoying the content. Why not subscribe to the channel and press the bell for notification for all the forthcoming videos from this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video on 6 major affiliate marketing trends that you need to know for 2022. Check out my next video if you're looking for a great video to help specifically affiliate marketers who are beginners to achieve business success. In it, I discuss legendary marketers 15 seconds free lead. This is a great way to quickly and easily build your list. So don't miss out. Link is somewhere on this screen. It's sure to be helpful, informative, and lots of fun. Thanks for watching and check this video out.